Hello kids, let's learn my alphabet. A is for animal, apple, alligator. B is for bingo, bicycle, bear. C is for car, clock, computer. D is for dream, dance, dress. E is for elephant, eagle, egg. F is for friend, frog, finger. G is for grapes, galaxy, goldfish. H is for hat, house, hammer. I is for ice, insects, ice cream. J is for jellyfish, juice, jam. K is for kangaroo, kite, koala. L is for lion, lemon, light. M is for moon, mango, mouse. N is for nose, nail, nature. O is for onion, owl, orange. P is for pig, pumpkin, pencil. Q is for queen, quiz, question. R is for rabbit, rain, rainbow. S is for sugar, sad, smile. T is for teacher, tooth, tomato. U is for grapes, galaxy, goldfish. V is for vegetable, violin, violet. W is for wall, white, wolf. X is for xylophone, X-ray. Y is for yo-yo, yatch, yarn. Z is for zoo, zebra, zipper. Like, share and subscribe Bacho ki Duniya.